Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing fine. I am teacher Simran from Toddledom School. Children, do you all know what are we going to learn today? We are going to learn about wild animals. Yes, we are going to learn about wild animals. So, you might have visited zoo with your parents and might have seen many animals. So, today we will learn about some of them which are considered to be wild animals. So, are you all excited to meet our new friends, wild animals? Yes, let's get started. Wild animals. So, dear children, do you all know what are wild animals? Children, wild animals are animals which live in jungle. An animal is considered to be a wild animal if it lives in a jungle, which is their natural home, and they depend only on themselves to survive. Animals which live in jungle are called wild animals. Can you all see here this image? This is how a jungle looks. Yes, wild animals live here. Now, let us meet our first wild animal. You all must know him. Lion. Yes, can you see here? This is a lion. Lion is known as the king of the jungle. Lion is a muscular, powerful and second largest cat in the world. Children, lion is very powerful, he is very strong and he belongs to the cat family. Lions can live up to 10 to 14 years and a group of lions is called pride. Can you all see here? There are more than one lion. So, more than one lion are called pride. Now, let's see our next animal. Aha, elephant. See, can you see this image? This is an elephant. Among all the animals that live on land, elephant is the largest animal. Elephants like to eat grass and pull fruits and leaves of the branches of the trees. Elephants eat fruits and leaves from the trees. They also like to eat grass. Elephants are also good swimmers. Elephants can swim and they are very good at swimming. The lifespan of an elephant is 60 to 70 years. Children, can you see this over here? This is called the trunk of the elephant. Okay. Now, let's see our next animal. This animal is called leopard. Can you see here? Yes, this is how a leopard looks like. Most leopards are light color and have dark spots on their fur. Can you see here? And here, these dark spots, only leopards have these dark spots on their skin, on their fur. Leopards are super fast and big jumpers too. As you can see here, can you see how fast a leopard is running? Yes, they are very fast runners. The leopards live alone and hunts mostly at night. The lifespan of leopard is 12 to 17 years. Now, let's meet our next animal. Panda. Yes, can you see here? This is a panda. The panda are black and white bear with the body of typical bears. Their white coat with black markings are unique. The black patch around their eyes and ears are also unique. Can you see here? See, around the eyes and also the ears of the panda are black. Also their arms and legs. Pandas are very peaceful and playful animals. As you can see here, see how he is playing over here? The lifespan of a panda is 20 years. Now, let's see our next animal. Who's there? Cheetah. Children, can you see here? This is a cheetah. Cheetah is the world's fastest land animal. Cheetahs cannot roar. Do you all know what is a roar? You all must have listened how a lion roars. Yes, I know. Just like lion roars, cheetahs cannot roar. While lions and leopards usually do their hunting at night, cheetahs hunt for food during the day. Cheetahs cannot climb tree and have poor night vision. They cannot see much at night in the dark. The lifespan of a cheetah is 10 to 12 years. Okay, now let's see who is our next animal. Kangaroo. Can you see here? This is a kangaroo. The kangaroo moves by hopping. Kangaroos cannot move backwards. Like we move front and back, kangaroos cannot go backwards. Can you see here how is hopping? Yes, this is how kangaroos hop and move ahead. Kangaroos have very good eyesight, but only when an object is moving. They can only see and notice something if it is moving. Okay? The lifespan of kangaroos is 6 years. Yes, and kangaroos move about at night for food. Okay, kangaroos also carry their baby inside the pouch. Okay, now let's see which is our next animal. Oh wow, tiger. Can you see here? This is a tiger. Tigers are great swimmers. The roar of a tiger can be heard over a mile away. They are so loud. A group of tigers are known as streak. Where there are more than one or two tigers, they are known as, the group of the tigers are known as streak. Tigers usually hunt alone at night time. The lifespan of tigers are 10 to 15 years. So children, are you all enjoying? Now let's meet our next friend. Zebra. See here, can you see? This is a zebra. Okay. Zebras are animals that are known for their black and white stripes. They belong to the horse family of animals. Can you see black and white stripes on his body? Yes, this is what they are known for. Zebras eat mostly tall, rough grass. Zebras has unique pattern of black and white stripes. Zebras have excellent eyesight and hearing. They have a very good eyesight and they can also hear very well. The lifespan of zebras are around 25 years. Now let's meet our next friend. Here is a giraffe. Yes, our next friend is giraffe. Children, can you see here? Yes, this is a giraffe. This animal is well known for its super long neck and towering height. Can you see here how long the neck is? Yes, giraffes are known for their long neck. They also enjoy leaves, herbs and vines. Giraffes don't need much water despite being extremely large. Giraffes are very social animals and roam around in groups. These groups are called towers. Children, giraffes, a group of giraffes where there are more than one or two giraffes are called towers. The lifespan of a giraffe is around 26 years. Can you see here how is eating? Yes, they can directly eat from the trees. They like eating leaves. Okay, now let's see which is our next animal. Gorilla. The name of this animal is gorilla. Gorillas are most active during the day, but they are shy. At night, they make nests of grass and leaves to sleep in. Children, how we sleep on our bed, similarly, gorillas make their own bed out of grass and leaves and then they sleep on it. An adult male gorilla is the size of a human but 3 times heavy. Yes, now they have long arms and even longer feet, legs. They use their long arms to knuckle walk. Children, do you all know what is knuckle? See this. Can you see this? This is your knuckles. So can you see here? Gorillas walk on their knuckles. So their walk is called knuckle walk. The lifespan of gorillas are 35 to 40 years. Now let's see which is our next animal. Deer. Can you see here, children? Yes, this is a deer. Deer are the only animals that can grow large antlers. Can you see here? Yes, these are called the antlers of deer. Deer have large ears, short tails and long slender legs. Can you see here? This is the ear of the deer. Deer usually have smooth brown fur. Can you see here? Yes, they have brown fur. Deer eat only plant material, for example, grass. The lifespan of a deer is around 10 to 13 years. So children, do you all want to play a quiz now? Yes, let's get started. Children, which animal moves by hopping? Come on, think. Teacher told you there is an animal who moves by hopping. Yes, you all are right. Kangaroo. Kangaroo moves by hopping. Now, next question. Which animal has a trunk? Remember, teacher told you all, this is the largest animal and it has a trunk. Come on, think. Yes, you all are right. An elephant. An elephant has a trunk. Now, next question. Who is the king of the jungle? Children, do you all remember who is the king of the jungle? Come on, think. Think. The very first wild animal which we met. Yes, you all are right. Lion. Lion is known as the king of the jungle. Now, our next and last question for the day. Which animal has the longest neck? Children, teacher taught you all. An animal which has the longest neck. Come on, think and tell me which animal is it? Yes, yes, you all are right. It's a giraffe. Giraffe has the longest neck. So my dear children, last and final question for the day. Which animal's roar can be heard over a mile away? Yes? Come on, think. Yes, you all are right. Tiger. Tiger's roar can be heard over a mile away. And my dear children, tiger is also our national animal. So children, that's all for the day. See you all in your next lesson. I hope you all enjoyed this lesson. Till then, stay home, stay safe and do not forget to study. Bye.